how to add users to your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add users in easy fast way. First thing we do is we go to the start button here down below, click on it and then go to settings. Here you will find many options, but you have to choose the accounts option right here. Click on it and then choose family and other users here, and here you go. Now you can add someone else to this PC in easy fast way. As you can see, you can just click add and it will be added as you want. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.